Well, that is a different ending of this video than I thought. Well, this just arrived. Here we go. Nice packaging, I have to say. Pretty sweet. Yeah, if you didn't notice, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max cage from SmallRig. Those are extra screws. And I did go for the single handheld kit because I wanted to test it out, and maybe if it's alright, I will get the second one. But I think for now, this is good to go. So there you go. And here is the case itself, pretty sweet. And then we have the one side handle. Right, so no plastics at all, that's nice. Even this is kind of a eco-friendly paper. This is also no plastic, which is really nice. A little bit harder to open though. Yeah, this is the new quick release thingy for the side handle. There's the side handle itself with the little button tool. We will talk about that later on as well. Pretty nice, solid metal and rubberized in here, so the phone itself stays quite safe. And then they have this lens mechanism here. I have a filter adapter coming, and also I ordered or will get some filters from K&F to test this out. With the iPhone, for now, it's bare bones, basically. Mounting points here, cold shoe mount. This is the open mechanism. We will test the USB-C port, what works, what does not work. I have also more 1/4 inch mounts here. You can have lanyards if you want. And you have the buttons here for the iPhone. So yeah, I think let's put the iPhone in. My iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, of course, I have a matte display cover on, and it's cracked already. Yeah, so basically you open this cage up here, pretty solid, and then you just slide your phone in, just like that. Yeah. Yeah, I have those lens covers on. I think those have to go. They are... So if you have like those lens covers, this is not going to work with this, yeah. So it's a bit snug. So I removed my lens covers. I didn't like them anyways. I think they produced more flares. And now the phone slides in smoothly and comes out smoothly as well. Now, I really have to click this in. All right, well, there you have it. Pretty sturdy, pretty nice. Now the buttons, yeah, you have, as you can see, you have buttons here, but you really have to press them. So they're a bit tricky to press though. Okay, let's move on to the hand grip itself. This is the new quick mechanism here. Most definitely nothing you want to do on the road, on the side, on a busy street. Oh, there's a tool here as well. So I could have used this tool here. Yep. And then it basically just connects like that. You have those grooves here. And then, yeah, there you go. Basically, it's a cold shoe mount. You have a cold shoe adapter on the top, and then there's this little button. You have to remove this little tab though for the power. And now it should work. Let's see, should be Bluetooth. Yeah, I just hold it down this button, and then you have the VR thingy going on. Pair. Yep, it just works. Nice. And the funny thing is, you can remove this button, right? If you have it on a tripod or whatever. And you can use this little button, this trigger, wirelessly. Pretty sweet. I will see, I have a few shoots now, one in Paris the next few days, and I will test this rig out, of course. But all nice, I think. You could mount other stuff. I mean, I'm using my Rode Wireless here. You could connect a Rode Wireless up here or here, or even a microphone, whatever. So that is nice. So let's test USB connections. I have a few more items, but I will test this out. I have a link below for all the USB stuff that I tested so far. I really like this little flash drive, even though I think using ProRes on this, even LT60, could be a stretch sometimes. If you have like longer clips, it will have issues as well. So let's see if this still works. No, it does not. It's too long. So, yeah, doesn't work. That might be a little bit of an issue. SmallRig will sell their own USB-C 180-degree adapter. I have another one I will test. I have this one, which is a bit different, but even that one doesn't reach. Okay, yeah, so this works. But then again, yeah. So I have even this one, of course, doesn't work. Yeah. I didn't foresee that, so something like that? No. Right. So now I have a nice cage, but only can use, yeah, I can't really use any USB solution I have right now. Well, that is a different ending of this video than I thought. Other than that, the cage is pretty sweet, even though I have to get used to it. This quick release thingy, you can put it on the other side now, right? So, yeah. So that works too. Could put it on the top as well. So you can a top handle, you can basically rotate. How easy is it to rotate? Not as easy. You really have to loosen those screws up, right? This is a little bit, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Not useful anyways. Well, now we have a top handle. So this quick release is nice. This isn't so much. No, I really have to remove the whole thing, right? That's odd. Right. So overall, it is a well-made case. I will use it anyways, I will shoot H.265 with the Blackmagic app and Apple Lock, which is totally fine for now. You need the SmallRig adapter to get any USB angle out, even with the cable. I mean, it is a bit tricky. This one works, but then again, this is no solution because it is way too loose with the magnet. There's a stronger magnet solution. I will test this as well. This doesn't work. I will test also the filters out when they come, but yeah. Anyways, I will get back to you after I use this for a while. I even got this one. I will test this out, and I have this. I have lots more card readers. I tested all those in terms of speed, but they will not work with this cage because of this. Yeah. I like this button though.